കാണിക്കട്ടെ. അതാണ് വിവാദവും വിളിച്ചു പറയാ. അതിന് മറുപടി കേൾക്കാൻ ഞങ്ങൾ തയ്യാറല്ല. അത് ബഹളത്തിൽ മുക്കും എന്നാണോ നിലപാട്? ഇങ്ങനെ പേടിക്കാനുള്ളവരാണെങ്കിൽ എന്തിനിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഈ നിയമസഭയിൽ വരുന്ന ആരും പേടിക്കാൻ വരുന്നവരല്ല. ആരെയും പേടിക്കാനല്ല ഈ നിയമസഭയിൽ വരുന്നത്.
മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഓഫീസിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി തലപ്പത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഞാൻ വെള്ളം കുടിക്കേണ്ടി വരുമെന്നാണോ? എനിക്ക് അങ്ങനെ യാതൊരു ആശങ്കയില്ല.
June 30, 2020. Customs officials at Trivandrum International Airport detain a diplomatic baggage from Dubai on suspicion of smuggling. July 1st. Swapna Suresh, the Kerala IT department employee, calls up the Assistant Commissioner of Customs and demands baggage release. July 2nd. The Customs Department getting high pressure and threat to release the baggage, but denied. July 3rd. Customs gets the permission of the center to produce consulate officials. July 4th. Customs Assistant Commissioner gets a letter saying the cargo must be sent back, but it was refused by him. July 5th. The baggage was opened in the presence of senior officers. 30 kilograms of gold worth 14.8 crore rupees were found in 5-hour operation. The consulate officials refused the ownership. P.S. Sarit, the former pro of the consulate, was arrested, whereas Swapna was missing. July 7th. Senior IAS officer M. Sivasankar is removed as IT Secretary and Chief Minister's Principal Secretary when he was found having close relationship with the accused. July 9th. The National Investigation Agency, NIA, takes over the investigation into the case. An audio clip purportedly of Swapna is aired by various TV channels demanding the innocence of Swapna, claiming it is a political game. July 10th. The 4 suspects in the case are charged under UAPA. July 11th. Swapna Suresh, the second accused, and Sandeep Nair, the fourth accused, was taken into custody by NIA from Bengaluru. July 14th. M. Sivasankar summoned to the Customs Department's office for questioning. July 15th. Arun Balachandran, CM's IT fellow, was removed from position when found have close connection with accused. M. Sivasankar was suspended. July 16th. Rashid Al Salami, an attaché with the UAE consulate in Thiruvananthapuram, has left India due to the case. July 17th. UAE Consul General's missing gunman found with slashed wrist. NIA gets 7-day custody of P.S. Sarit. July 19th. Fazal Farid, the third accused in the gold smuggling case, arrested from Dubai in United Arab Emirates. July 21st. The NIA custody of Swapna Suresh and Sandeep Nair was extended till July 24th. July 22nd. NIA says gold smuggler KT Ramesh is the kingpin of the case. July 23rd. M. Shivashankar was questioned by NIA. July 25th. NIA recovered 1,982 grams from Swapna's locker. Swapna claims the same was received from a sheikh during her marriage. July 27th. NIA plans to reinvestigate the smuggling case of 6 rifles by KT Ramesh in 2019. July 28th. 20 Hawala agents involved in this high-stakes deal, claims Customs. July 29th. Shivasankar says he was given drug-laced liquor by gold smuggling accused. June 30th. Since 1 month of the case, Nia claims there may be many big shots involved. July 31st. NIA includes Calicut Airport smuggling into its radar. Claims anti-national material smuggled via Trivandrum Airport. Investigation is still ongoing. Stay tuned for more updates.